You want to practice making your star border on a piece of paper or a plate until you feel comfortable enough to move on to your cake. See how I put the stars nice and close together? And when you get a consistent, nice star border, then we'll move on to our cake. Now we're going to use our star border to outline the face. We're going to go around in a circle here. We're going to outline our ears. And then we're going to outline our paws and make a little belly with our star border. So I'm going to start here at the top of the head. And you just want to make that star border all the way around, kind of following that mark, the spreading marks that we made, the circle and the little moons for the ears. Just follow right along. You make a little star and pull up. You squeeze and then let go of the pressure and then pull up. Squeeze, let go of the pressure and pull up. You want to get a rhythm and go all the way around the cake. Now you can stop at any point, twist your bag to get more pressure, and then continue on. Okay, I've bordered my head and bordered the ears, and now I'm doing a little bit of the chest of the bear, and I'm doing the same star tip all the way and filling in a whole section. A star tip is a great way to fill in any kind of a section and give a cake a lot of color. We're only using one color here. We're doing chocolate on chocolate to make it very easy cake to decorate. Then we're going to continue with our star tip around the edge of the cake, the same star border, just little stars all the way around to finish off the edge of our cake.